What's up everybody, Gamerboy for Life here, and today we're going to be creating a Discord integration for our hack client. What this means is, so when we go into Discord, we will have the option. So this is my private Discord. I will be adding this in, or I will be releasing this server to the public eventually. I think once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so press that subscribe button already. It's free. Alright, so now for the Discord integration, what this is going to do, when it says playing a game under your logo, it's going to have your client name plus a custom logo for your client. So for this, we're actually not going to be any inside of Eclipse at the moment. First, you're going to have to create a logo for your client, unless you don't want one. I just do because it makes it look cooler. This will work. It's not my best, but it will work. Next, we have to go to Google, and we're going to do Discord Developer Portal. Alright, that's not the right. Oh, come on. That's the documentation. Discord Developer. I will leave the link for it in the description. Yeah, we're going to click on Applications. Maybe, if it wants to work. Okay, I got to figure out where this website is. Is it not going to let me? Oh yeah, so we're going to click on Applications. So I already had a couple for my other clients, my Phantom client and my Crypt client. I had logos created. So all we're going to do is create a new application, name it whatever. I'm just going to name it the client's name, Paradox. And so name is fine. So now the application logo, you're going to need to select the logo you made. Also make sure it's just named large. It will help out in the future. And now we need to go where save changes. We're going to go down to rich presence right here. We're also going to select that same file, the same image, save changes. And now we need to add an image down here, which is the same file, and save changes. So yeah, it's recommended 1024 by 1024 pixels for the logo, and that'll work. So now I am going to keep this open because later on we're going to need the application ID, which you will not see on my end. I am blurring it because I don't want you guys to use this. And now we're going to go. Alright, so next you have to download a file called Discord RPC. I will leave this in the description so you guys can just download it. And then we had to go into our hack client workspace. So mine's Paradox. We're going to go to libraries and copy this into library. Alright. Yes. So inside a library. And then if we open up Eclipse, you'll see it's rebuilding the path. And we gotta let this finish to 100%. So we will have the Discord RPC inside of Eclipse. That's simple. Now, I do have my Phantom hack client open because this just helps with creating what we're going to be doing. So yes, it's a lot of code, but it's less simple, but it is needed. So what we're going to do is go into our client now that it's done building. I will add this under here. I'm just going to make a new package inside of my client, and we're going to name it extensions. And this one, we're going to create a new class, and we're going to name it Discord RP, all capital on RP. So now inside of here, we're going to create a private boolean named running, and it's going to start out as true. My headphones just freaking died on me, so I'm not going to be able to hear anything, but that's fine. Now we're going to create a private long. It's going to be named created, and it's going to equal 0. Now that we have these, we're going to do public void start. So this is the start function for our Discord attachment. We're going to do this dot created, so our long we created, and it's going to equal the system dot current time for milliseconds. We're going to go down and do Discord. We're going to press Control Space. Maybe is it not going to? Okay, it's not going to let me. Don't press Control Space. Discord event handlers. Alright, real quick, this didn't. So yeah, we're gonna have to go build path, add a library. It's gonna be a JRE system library. I lied. I gotta remember how to do this. Build path, configure build path. So these are all the jar files that get put in. We're gonna click on libraries and add a jar file. So this will be inside of our library folder. We're gonna add Discord RPC and click apply. And now we gotta let it rebuild the path environment. Shouldn't take too long, refreshing. All right, now if we press Control Space, yep, it automatically imported it. So we're gonna have this named handlers, and it's gonna equal a new Discord event handlers. Dot builders dot set ready event handler callback, and inside of here we're gonna do a new ready callback. All right, so that's gonna put in a lot of code. Don't worry, it looks complicated. It's not that complicated. To get rid of all these lines, we're gonna come down to this line and do dot build and a semicolon. That'll get rid of all the errors. All right, so now we're gonna come here. So inside of Discord void apply instead of Discord user. So basically whenever we go to put Discord user into the code, so your username, it's gonna want the argument called arg0. We're gonna change that so it's just user, which will make this easier to code. Now we're gonna do system.out.print line, and inside of here we're gonna have it print. We're just gonna say welcome space plus the user.username. So whatever your Discord username is when you launch the client, it will add it. And just to be safe, we're gonna add the number into it. So you know how your Discord tag has your username and then the numbers. So user.discriminator. Now we're gonna go down. Right here we're gonna do update loading paradox client. So now when inside of Discord, when you start launching your client, it's going to allow you to I say a lot, ignore me. So this is going to allow you to put like, oh, I cannot speak. So loading paradox client, I could just show you. When you go to launch the client, right here, it's going to say launching paradox client. That's all it's going to do. And actually right here, I forgot we need to put empty quotation marks. Why is update giving me an error now? Create method called update. Why? Whatever. We'll just skip that for now and come back to it because I think it will fix itself. So now we're going to go under build. We're going to do Discord RPC dot Discord initialize. So now I'm just going to press Control S where it says application ID. That's where on the website you're going to copy your application ID and put it in there. And then handlers will be good. And then auto register, we're going to set to true. And I lied to you. This number we need to put inside quotations or else it will just continue spitting out errors. So let's do that real quick. Let's just close that and there. So now underneath this, we're going to make a new thread. We're just going to name this Discord callback, or I'm just going to name it RP callback. And this, I lied to you. RP, oh my gosh. It's been a while since I recorded a video, so bear with me. Discord RPC callback. And now, so since it's a thread, we're going to be getting in errors. So underneath here, we're just going to type at override public void run while it's running. We're going to set Discord RPC.Discord run callback. We're going to go down to where this thing is giving us error and do .start. Alright, so now we're going to go down a little bit and do public void shutdown. Running equals false, and then Discord RPC.dis. maybe if I could spell it, discord rpc.discord shutdown. So now when you close the client, it will no longer show in Discord. Alright, so I'm still confused on why update is giving us an error. Whatever, it's probably going to continue to give us an error for a while, so I will just try to fix that before the video goes out, and I'll show you guys how to fix it. I'm not going to do that on the fly right now. Anyways, we're going to go down to here underneath shutdown. We're going to make another void public, and it's going to be named update. Oh, I'm special. Yeah, now it will get rid of that error. So here we're going to do string as first line, and we're going to do another string named second line. And there. Now I got rid of the update. So now inside of here, we're going to do discord rich presence dot builder. We're going to just name it B. This is going to equal a new discord rich presence dot builder. And we're going to put second line. That's the string we just made inside of here. So now we're going to go underneath that and do B dot set big image as whatever you named the file when you put it inside. That's why I was saying just name it large, and trust me, it works. Now we're going to do B dot set details as first line. First line. Now we're going to do B dot set start timestamp as created. So the up here, the long we created, created is going to equal 0. So that's basically the timer. So when you're inside of Discord, it tells you like how long you've been on it for, and it's going to basically just create a timer for it. Now we're going to go down and do discord rpc.discord update presence, and inside of here we're going to do b.build. It's a lot of code, I know. That's it for this this class. So we got X out of that, and now I believe, yes. So now we can just go into our Paradox client. We're gonna come down to here and do public static discord rp equals new discord rp. This is creating the instance of our discord rp class. And now we need to import our discord rp class. And now when it goes to initialize, we're going to put this at the very bottom. So discord rp.start. And now if we press launch inside of the console, did I see it? Not yet. It hasn't started yet, I don't think. I am checking to make sure we did this correct. Alright, let's see. Yep, welcome Gamerboy for Life 5739. And if we go inside of Discord, look, so it's still set on launching Paradox client. Now, I don't know if you could tell, Minecraft is completely launched and it still says launching. So we're gonna change that. So let's X out of the Minecraft, and this is a lot of code, so I am going to use my other client. You know, if you get mad at me for it, so be it. I need to open up Minecraft. Alright, yep, so now we're gonna open up our Minecraft class. We're just gonna press Control F and type in this dot my network manager equals network manager. It should be at about line 2328-ish. Not gonna be that exact line. But yeah, we're gonna put our little note, as we should when messing with the Minecraft base code. And inside of here, we're gonna do paradox dot instance dot paradox dot get discord rp. Hold on, I probably missed something here. Oh yeah, alright, so inside of our Paradox class, we're gonna go down to here, and we're gonna put public static discord rp as get discord rp. this is just going to return as Discord RP. Alright, so now if we go back into Minecraft and do paradox.get Discord RP, paradox.get Discord RP.update. So now first line, we'll just have it as playing single player. And the second line will be end game. So this one we just did right here is for the single player. So I will just show you what all this does in the end. So if we launch into single player mode, it will say this inside of Discord. But we also want GUI main menu. I'm just checking to make sure I have this correct. Yep. Alright. Now we need to open up the GUI main menu class. And we're going to go to init GUI. So it's going to initiate the GUI for main menu. And first thing we're going to have it do is just initiate it. So we're going to do paradox.get Discord RP.update. First line as idle. Second line will be main menu. So I'll actually show you guys what this does real quick. So let's open up Discord. Let's not have it full screened for some reason. I think I just full screened it on accident. Alright. So now let's launch our client inside of here. It says it's still playing just coding because that's the what I set Eclipse as. And now launching Paradox client, it should have, if we load into a single player world, playing single player in game, and it tells you how long we've been playing Paradox for. And now when we're at the main menu, idle main menu. So I do want a single player menu, I believe. So if we look for the class GUI single or GUI. Alright, I don't think we can do that. Let's just go on to the multiplayer. This one is a little more code. GUI multiplayer Discord RP. Just to show you guys I'm not cheating, I am using my other client. So now inside of here, the first thing we're going to do is go to init GUI. So now if we open up the multiplayer menu, it will show that we're in the multiplayer menu and we're idle. So we're going to do paradox. So paradox.get Discord RP.update. First line will be idle. Oh shit. Idle. Second line. Why isn't that working? Whatever. Alright. Second line will be multiplayer menu. And now we're also yep. Alright, so now if we go into the multiplayer menu, it will show it inside of Discord. Now, last one, we're going to open up GUI connecting. And we're going to look for Discord. I lied. We're going to look for GUI connecting. Yep, we're going to look for all this stuff. It should be at line 68, depending on what version of Minecraft you're doing. So we're going to do paradox.get Discord RP.update. So now we're going to have it set so it's going to say we're playing on, so people know what server we're on. So we will be putting like the IP address and the port for the server we're on. So for line 1, we're going to put playing space, close the quote, plus the IP address, plus we're going to put the port number if it does not equal 25565. Question mark inside of here, we're going to put it. Yep. All right. So what this does is, oh crap, so sorry, plus port, another colon, quotations. So what this line of code will do, it's going to display the port number or the IP address of the server, the port we are running on, that the server is running on, if the port is not 25565, because this port is the default Minecraft port, which you do not have to put when playing a server if it's running on that port. So I will explain that in a minute. Second line, we're going to do just in-game. And now we're going to launch Minecraft. How long have I been recording for? 21 minutes. Yeah, I do not have time to add a alt login in this video, which I will just do that in the next video. So now if we open up Discord, alright, so as you can see, it still says launching Paradox client, and I don't know why. Idle main menu. Alright, so it just takes a minute to update. So if we go into multiplayer, idle, we deleted the test server, so we can't. Actually, give me 1 second. So yeah, inside of Discord, we don't have the ability to show what server we're on yet, so I'm just gonna create, no idea what any of this stuff is. If I load this world, will it not give me an error? Alright, that'll work. So this is my actual Minecraft. This is the MCP Minecraft, the client we're coding. I will show how to export all this later on, so you can actually play on servers and stuff. I just want to get through the development, so we... Oh, okay, whatever. I don't care. But yeah, if you went into a server, it will tell you, like, what you're doing. And anyways, I think that's all I'm going to do for this video. Guys, you can leave what you would like me to do in the description. Keep in mind, a lot of you guys give me things to put, so I'm not always able to do exactly what you want inside of the next video. It's just not possible. So what I would recommend is adding me on Discord and giving me suggestions on Discord, because I am way more active on Discord than my YouTube comments. I try to keep up, it's just sometimes there's so many it's hard to keep up with. And I will do my best to do it. So my current schedule looks like, in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys, while explaining, I'll open up Minecraft. So for the next video, I plan on creating a couple more modules. We're gonna put these under, I think renderer, render, yeah, I'll put them on render, or in a different one, I am not completely sure yet. So what those ones will allow you to do, for some reason this says I'm on my Phantom Hack client, I will change that. Anyways, so when you enable the modules for that one, we will be getting, like, it will display your current, like, coordinates. It will display, like, your armor, health, like how many more hits you could take till your armor breaks, and all of that. So that's like a PvP client type of thing, but I will be adding that in because that's a pretty cool feature. So real quick before we end, I am gonna change something. Utils, no, GUI and game hook. I need that to say Paradox. I don't know why it said Phantom. Paradox, and I probably will have to change the color of it. I don't care about that right now. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you leave a like, and please, like, it just helps with the YouTube algorithm. It gets me more views. I do not get paid for likes. I don't get paid at all. My channel's not big enough, so when I asking for this stuff, don't think I'm doing it because I want money. I don't get money for this stuff. I am simply just trying to show you guys how to create a client, and hopefully, like, you guys following along, you learn how the code manipulates one another. And I do want to give one thing. If you guys did make it this far in the video, leave the comment foot inside of the comment section, and I will heart every comment that I see that says foot, because I do want to give out one more thing. get me to 1,000 subscribers by pressing the subscribe button. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Please help me reach my goal. It would mean a lot, and it's free to do, and like I said, it just helps me a lot. So I'm gonna leave this off here. Have a good day, guys.